Hello everyone, today is Monday, December 16th. It's about 5:09 p.m., 5:10 p.m. And I have another live trading video from Trader Jim. Before I begin, first a couple of announcements. So just a reminder to beat our price increase for next year. You can have $600 off the Auto Trader good through December 31st and use code BWT2020 at checkout. Also, I'll be going away on vacation beginning this week. I'll be leaving Wednesday or Thursday. So there won't be any videos until probably the first week of next year. I'll probably return January 5th. So I will be checking my email and will handle any sales that come in, but any training and setup will have to take place after the first of the year. Okay, in today's video, we can see that the market, the NASDAQ here, reached 100% of its range on this first move up. And this is the range grid, which is part of the fib grid. And this tells us where we are in the daily range for the day. So the red line here is 25%, the cyan colored line is 50%, the green line is 75%, and the black dotted line is 100% of its range. And here, at the end of the session, it tells us how many ticks the market reached, and there was 308 ticks today. And note that the move began in the night session. I've been saying so many times that the biggest move in the range has been occurring in Globex or overnight, usually after the London Open. In any case, Trader Jim also made a comment on one of my templates. My templates are more sophisticated. And really, they're not. My templates are kind of simple, but he was correct in saying that he and I have different objectives in the way we make our templates, and that difference is that I'm making my templates to appeal to the 100% automated trading, although you will increase your odds of winning if you do like what Trader Jim does and do a little market analysis and take a position of going long only or short only. But the difference in the templates basically is not that much difference, really. I'm just creating mine with the idea that you're not going to interact with the auto trader in any way, although that shouldn't be excluded. They'll still work even if you do interact. Let's have a look at today's video from Trader Jim.
December 16th, still Globex, almost 7 o'clock, 2.5 hours before pit open. Just trying along here, hoping to break this little resistance and move higher. All right, here is first target. I should be trailing soon. I'm gonna take off the longs for now and set a break even. This is pre-market. Maybe they just spiked it up. It is possible they're gonna move lower. So, by the way, quick answer. I think Michael, I'm not exactly sure about your last question. So this template, I think this is the template you were talking about, the Super Renko 6. Filtered by a moving average. So under the filter controls, I clicked 1, means I'm enabling the precision MA filter. And then under precision MA, it's SMA 20 period. Okay, so there was no step MA here. And on the exits, I disabled the precision trend exit. So 0 means, of course, it's disabled. So precision trend is disabled on the exit, and it's a 20 period SMA. All right, so just came back and looks like this trade worked out beautifully. I did disable the longs once this trade was over. At this point, I guess, unfortunately, but I do need some kind of a pullback. We are just high right now, so I'm gonna wait for a pullback and then take another trade. Let's see. About 40 minutes before the session opens. Took a closer look and realized that I am trading still. For whatever reason, I did not roll this contract over. I am still trading December. So just gave a call to Helios. Helios is the funding partner with Earn to Trade. They told me not to worry about it, so I dodged the bullet there, because actually One-Up Trader, I think, is very stickler to trading the current month. Now, I'm not sure if technically trading December now is a violation of that, but as soon as this trade is over, I am definitely rolling it over. I'm not sure how it escaped me. I thought I'd I thought I rolled everything, but I guess I didn't. So I am at the screen, but I'm going to have a phone conference. I will not be able to do much narration. I'll just leave the recording running. All right, yeah, so I was watching this, but I was on the phone conference and I could not give any commentary, but really, no commentary is needed. This template now, for me, when I pick a side, has had a winning rate of over 80%. And as you can see, in every single day when I show my templates, I never risk more than I'm targeting. It is 1-to-1 or better. This has a winning rate of over 80%, and this template is pretty much all Randy's template. I just tweaked a couple of small things, and today I increased the target. Sometimes it's just at 500 with one contract. Today I went with two, just was very bullish. The 8600 did not scare me, still does not scare me. I think they might pull back, but the numbers on top are 8636, 8652. So there is still plenty of room to the upside. I am looking with the other template. With this one that I just so far just reached a partial target because it has a $500 target. So I'm still looking to finish this one up at some point. Just maybe need a bit more of a pullback. I would love it for it to get where, I mean, if they could give me 85.80, it could be great. So we'll see how that will go. So just a quick word about templates in general. Because someone asked, is it a step MA, is it SMA? Overall, really, the way I see it, it doesn't matter. I've been saying this since May when I first started making these videos. It's not about a template. For me, my templates are actually very simple. Now, Randy's templates are a lot more sophisticated, and he would help, he would give his templates to any client. So, Randy's templates are a lot more sophisticated. They have a great trailing stubs and ways to enter with different offsets or whatnot. Mine are a lot simpler because I am looking for, I create my templates for a specific purpose, for a specific situation in price action. So it's slightly a different approach. So in other words, what I'm trying to say is it's never about the template. It's all about your understanding of price action, and you can definitely use BWT's market profile or whatever works for you to establish levels to work off of, and then have a template to just help you confirm, help you enter and manage a trade. That's where this software is just is so helpful with. I also want to say, by the way, I was so excited. So after the Friday's video, I think on Saturday I read the comment. Someone said, around minute 12, I think it was, I rolled to the March contract, but I did not change the time in sales. The time in sales was still in December. And so, this person said, great trading, but but you were trading March and your time in sales showed December. So I was so excited because, this told me that at least some people are really paying attention. Because sometimes, I want to make a 20-minute video and maybe just 40 seconds of it are being watched by an average person. Well, maybe that's the case, but some people really watch the full thing and really pay attention. I mean, what an eye to catch that I was trading one chart and time in sales was showing a different contract. Just made me feel so good and really kind of motivated me because, here I am. Trading is a very lonely experience, let's face it. And here I am by myself, kind of talking to myself. And I'm just hoping that at least someone would really acknowledge, or maybe acknowledge is the wrong word, but will maybe benefit from what they see. Maybe this will give them ideas and they can build on what I'm showing and create something better or something that works for them. This is what it's all about. There is no one way. There is no one template. It's just your understanding. It's all about risk management. And again, this software is so great with stopping you from doing things like revenge trading, breaking your rules, entering trades when you're not supposed to, exiting trades when you're not supposed to, right? Holding on to a losing trade. This software will not allow you to go beyond whatever you put into it. It would take you out at a particular point. Whether you choose exit, based on a precision trend reversal or a dollar amount, it will take you out. So all these things together really is what gives me an edge. Well, it's 2:00. They're doing absolutely nothing. So I'll be done here for today. Not a very exciting day, but still a green day. So this one did not reach its daily target, but it's fine. Let's see what opportunities await tomorrow.